What up, y'all? Grab your popcorn snacks and come chill with the flow with me. Today we're gonna do DIY projects. In this room, I have a 6-shelf sweater organizer because I don't wanna buy a dresser. So I figure why not put my lingerie and other little small items on this thing. All from Five and Below now. I got an 18-inch wall shelf that I'm gonna put probably by that calendar right there and hang up my lovely L'Eiffel Tower because I love anything Paris. If you're looking for some simple wall decor, I got this wall decor from Five and Below. If you're looking for some shelving, they got like corner pieces that you can put up in your house or apartment or dorm if you can. They got these wall shelves that come in black and white. And they also have these 6-shelf sweater organizer. They came in different colors. Obviously I love pink, so I got the coral. But I figure instead of buying a dresser right now, why not get something where I can just hang up in the closet? So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it ultimately looks like. It's like this. You can hang it up in your closet. I think. Oh, okay. So then, yep. So you just hang it up in your closet like this, and it has little Velcro pieces, and you hang it up. And then you can store whatever you want in here. I'm just gonna put like bras, underwear, a few socks, just, you know, to clean up the floor area. It's gonna be really, really nice. So come with me, shall we? Easy, six tier. And then I have this other one here that has my bonnets and scarves and stuff that I have, and a skipper. And then I'll just hang up my lingerie and stuff in this. So that's a DIY project if you just wanted to do something quick, and you wanted to keep your stuff organized. You can get one of these from Five and Below. Very cheap if you're on a budget. And I love this. I got this at, I think Target, probably $6. And this is like amazing because it comes with like these little stickers. And so like these stickers are like, you know, it has the workout, the laundry day, the date night, traveling, dentist, doctor's appointments. It has happy birthday, cake, you know, you got this, girl. Like, it's just very inspirational stickers that I like. And we're in September right now, so I really like this calendar. So this is a nice DIY. If you don't want to buy an actual calendar like over there, then you can get something like this and write out your whole entire year. If you had like a year planned out, you planning your trips, you can really use this, the stickers that come along with it. On the side I have, this is my calendar that I had in school, but this is what I use for my videos and things that different projects that I'm working on. And so I use it for that, and that really helps because you know, this is very small, so I do a lot of writing on my calendars. So it's nice to have this, and then this to kind of see an overall view of the year. So now we're gonna do the 18-inch wall shelf. I thought this was really nice. That Five and Below is selling stuff like this. Like I said, they have corner ones too, but what I want to put on there is not long enough. So this also comes with mounting already, so you don't have to buy any extra pieces. And I'm wondering, do I need like a screwdriver or something? We're gonna find out. Yep, so it comes with the hardware already, so you don't have to go out and buy anything. And then it will go on the back of here. And then this is what it looks like. I think it's long enough for what I'm gonna use it for. Always, if I wanted to get another one, put somewhere else, fine. I may get like a corner shelf one somewhere and do that. Who knows, we'll see. Okay, so let's read these instructions. So, turns out you'll need a drill, a hammer, pliers, Phillips head screwdriver, and a pencil. Pencil, I guess, to like mark where you're gonna put it in. I don't know if we can drill on these walls because I'm renting this apartment, so it's not a house. If you own a house, this is a great wall decor for your place. But if not, just know that this is awesome. I'll probably find another thing that I can hang up on the wall and put my Eiffel Tower on. But for right now, I'll just go on my end table because, you know, it doesn't hurt that at all. But thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Five Below has some awesome stuff for you guys to put up in your house, hang up in your closet. If you're on a budget, that's a great place to go. I love Five and Below. This is not an ad, and this is also not sponsored at all. It's just something I like to do, and it's a place I enjoy going to. So I hope you guys enjoy your Saturday. Thanks for chilling with me, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.